Thanks for this.
How's love life out? Having intimate dinner with our happy birthday to you. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Today is September 21st, which means today is my sister's birthday, Michelle. So let's say happy birthday to my sister. She's turning 29 today. And by the way, I am wearing Michelle polo and a Chop Mel jeans because it's her birthday. So if you guys like this, it's the color white. It comes with different colors. You guys can go to my Instagram at the Shop Mel jeans. Okay, so my sister and Scarlett are gonna go with me to the city today. And by the way, this is my first time going to the city for the month of September. What the fudge? Good luck to me. So we're gonna go there and grab some groceries because we're gonna have a little celebration for her birthday tonight. Just us like having intimate dinner with our fam, and we're also gonna pick up Bingo. Scarlett and my sister are waiting for me in the main road. Come on, let's go. By house. My first time to drive into the driveway, the new driveway that we have. Dili!
Eh. Daplin sa ato, daplin.
Sabot na ta.
We are halfway there now to the city. Scarlett is at the back. She is watching some. We have a construction going on. We're gonna drop off Scarlett at my mom's office because she's not allowed to go to the grocery store or in the mall. Time check, it's 10:15. We left around 9:20. We are almost there at Nana.
Dili la ka nana ha. Love you pangga.
Nana is there.
Dili mahilak ha.
Okay, okay. Bye-bye, Pangga. Bye-bye. Hello, morning. Thank you. Okay, here we go. The parking is looking amazing. There's not much cars, so that's good. I'm gonna go there so that it will be easier for us. Look at that parking space. So we are here in the food court, and you can definitely do dine-in if you got the vaccination. So my sister is showing the vaccination card that she has. I've already showed mine, so that's why I'm in. Not a lot of people. This is SM food court. We're gonna grab some food because we're starving. Heading back now. It is super sunny, and here they have a display. We have 95 days before Christmas. Look at that, there's a lot of cars parking already. We are back in the car. It is super hot right now. Oh my gosh, time check, it's 12:08, and I think Vingle is done working, and let's wait for her text. We're gonna pick her up, but before that I am super thirsty. Palago ko lang. Okay, we're gonna grab Scarlett first and then Bingo. Because Bengal's an IT park. How can it be super hot with my mask? Hello. Thank you. Guys, we are on the way home now, and Bengal is here. By the way, we picked her up. Yes. Everyone's always asking me kung maklaro pa daw sila.
Dito ko rin ito ang camera.
Maklaro
Wide
siya.
man eh siya, no?
Super wide, yeah.
Yes guys, I'm here.
How are you?
I'm great.
How's work?
Work is still work. Can't
How's
complain.
love life? Ow.
Still mark up.
Kuya, why are you on my way?
Overtake siya kaklaro kayo nga.
It was even blind curve.
Gani. Ay,
Good thing I wasn't even like going fast. Idiot.
buong maglagot ko ng anak yun.
Kaya hinay pa siya kay siya ni Dagan, diba? So what did siya
puno siya,
overtake?
ma'am.
Puno siya. Wow. Ikaw na siya.
Karapatan pa siya mag-ano. Overtake ka pa lang.
Nalanganin mo tingin ito siya.
Oo.
My God, people are driving recklessly. What's going on? Can you guys relax because this is my first time driving after a month.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. I have to get home safe, okay? Uy, can you remind me, we're gonna stop over at Leia's house. I'm gonna grab the danggit.
Okay.
Alright guys, we are finally home. Oh my gosh, it was super duper hot earlier.
Thanks for this.
My birthday gift. Okay, what do you want? Isang birthday? Okay, sing happy birthday first. Gaanti ka na. Game. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Sit down. Okay, we're gonna have to eat lunch first. It's already 2 p.m. It is so freaking hot. We have here some donut. Actually, this is munchkin.
Happy birthday
Wow!
to you.
Well, look, that's 250. Gamay na di tayo. Huh? Tag 10 pesos na. So 10 pesos, right?
Birthday to
Okay, come on. Let's eat.
Diyan ko na kayo ni mo. Mamigon. Love, dyan.
Here we have Senor Pedro chicken, lechon, manok, roasted chicken. Oh, we have a visitor. It's a boy.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Bawala siya ka na hang, pero hang siya.
Okay, ilan na may edad na? 29?
Titin na yung na minyo.
Our chef for today is Bengal. What are you doing?
Well, I'm actually just separating the water from this.
She's gonna be doing the salad, and this is kaong. I don't know what is this in English. Coconut gel? No, I'm not sure.
Sugar palm fruit in syrup.
Ah, there you go. The nata de coco is green so that it would look festive. Salad is always present in Filipinos' birthday.
In all forms of celebration.
Yeah. Bengal has been cutting all of the salad ingredients. So we have here kaong, and now it looks very small. And it actually looks nice than the bigger ones because it's easier to chew. And then we have here the nata de coco. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. She is cutting some hot dogs now for our spaghetti. Yes, in a Filipino birthday, it's either spaghetti or pancit. For longer life.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, wait. Where's the
Wait.
scissors? Nalay na kung ang scissor isa di ay.
Mao ka diha.
Scarlett is about to sleep. She is... Oh, there you are. You know what? Scarlett is actually super wise. As soon as she like hears her name being mentioned or something, she would literally like get up and like, what's going on? What did you just say? That's how she is. But yeah, too bad. Scarlett was not able to go to the mall with us because kids are still not allowed to get in the mall. And also, if you're fully vaccinated, again, you can already dine in. That's one of the privilege you can have.
You have a
Do you
discount as well.
Yeah, yes, you will have a discount, which is $4 off 200 pesos in SM department store. So
$4?
that's good. $4.
Oh.
Did I say $4?
I thought you were gonna buy
roasted chicken. What?
Pizza.
Yeah, I was actually thinking of buying pizza, but I couldn't find pizza in SM.
It's an SNR.
Oh, there's no SNR.
Oh, there is
Oh, there is
SNR.
SNR. We did
That's
not go
in
that far.
call something on the upstairs. On the
City Hall. City Hall. Trade Hall.
Trade Hall, oy.
Yeah, we did not go there.
Oh my god, it looks good.
Come on, more.
Can you smell? Can you smell? Can you taste?
No, I don't
More?
think- yeah, more.
Oh, this is juicy.
I think it's also good if you put cheese, no?
Buta mo daw sa cheese.
Ah, okay. Actually, it's also Tom's dad's birthday yesterday, 20th.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, belated.
Nice. What about nice?
Nice update here now. Vingle is working on the fried chicken that we will have. We're having drumstick. And this is crispy fry, and then we're gonna roll it, or I mean dip it into the breadcrumbs after. And here, oh my gosh, you have to put the oil already. Okay, here we're gonna put the oil. Is that enough? Okay, we need more. Okay, now we're dipping it to the breadcrumbs, and we'll see if it will splash. Wala pa di ay, false alarm. Just one more. Unsa day na?
Kuha mga. Talong nga!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Puros 20. Wow. So my sister received this beautiful bouquet of roses with money. This is pretty common here in the Philippines. You know, Filipinos are very creative. So my mom did this by herself. How crazy that is.
Yeah.
I didn't know she has this talent. So good job to mom. And yeah,
Kudos.
we are going to count how much is the money, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25,000 pesos! Yeah, there you go. Happy birthday, sis! Okay, so now it's my turn to be in the kitchen. I know I have just been the camera woman, but this is my specialty. We have some prawns. It's really big. I am making garlic butter shrimp. It's very big, no?
Prawns. Is it prawns or no? It's shrimp.
When can you say that it's prawns? When
If
it's
it's
like
small.
very big?
It's small?
I thought you say prawns if it's like super big.
No, baby prawns, like prawns. Let me see. Comment down below. What is the difference between big and small? Totoo na kita, day. Charot lang.
So time check, it is 6:20 p.m. right now and we're almost ready to have our dinner. So we have here all of the food that we prepared today. We have here the cake that says happy birthday Michelle, spaghetti, we have some salad, fried chicken, pork adobo, we have rice of course, and here we have garlic buttered shrimp. Over here, Vingul is reheating the Senor Pedro lechon manok from this afternoon. Put it in the fridge earlier, so we have to reheat it. This is what we are waiting because we are ready to eat. No pressure. So this is Instagram thing. Vingul is taking photo of the food. So this is what we have, and my sis is ready to eat. Okay, let's eat, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Come on.
Mama.
Blow the candle.
Yay! Kiss mama. Come on, let's eat. Bon appetit. Okay, so Vingul's gonna cut the cake. I'm gonna teach her how to do it the right way. Okay?
Right way.
I captured that! Okay, you have to get a plate. This is the proper way of cutting the cake. What you have to do is to make it like this, make it like that, and then you have to do it like this. Ah, serve it! That's how you do it! It's easy, right? Rather than doing this and that. This is the proper way of cutting the cake. You have to slice it like this. And it will fall like that. And then you have to cut it like that.
Bate.
Ayaw, bate. Sabotage! Alright guys, so we are super full right now and very grateful that we are able to celebrate my sister's birthday today. Thank you so much to Vingul for helping us cook everything. And yes, my battery is blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and spending the day with us. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!